Hello, friends. Sheila here with Homework Remodels. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 8. Oh, we've got some great progress. Cabinets have been installed. We had them in progress last time, but they've been installed in the kitchen and in the laundry room. And now our flooring's going in. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, friends. I'm excited to show you around our space today. Here we are in our kitchen space, friends. You can see our gorgeous cabinets are installed. Oh, they look so good. So you can see we've done our island double deep. So we've got storage cabinets on the back side and then other cabinets on the front. Our wall cabinets are all in. Our gorgeous crown molding is in. I wanted to show you last time and totally skipped it, this micro shaker door style that they manufacture. So it's a solid wood center panel and then they wrap it with the trim to create this micro shaker. It is so amazing. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous and on trend. It looks so good. So then here's our base cabinets, and over here we've used long poles on wide drawers, so there's only one pole to open it instead of two smaller ones on either corner, and then use an appropriate size pole on our skinnier drawer stacks. Doesn't that look so good, complementing one another that way, friends? Here we are around the front of our island. Oh, we got the pull-out trash on the end. We've got tall drawer stacks here in the middle, and I want to show you our sneaky hidden drawer here. So for storage, we've got a hidden drawer behind one drawer front. And then our bottom deep drawer has peg storage in it. Oh, that's going to be so functional for our homeowners to be able to utilize that for storage and organizational systems. On this far end, we left the pull the same as the position over here for our pull-out trash, but it is roll-out trays. So that's going to be so cool. It just looks so good, friends. I'm so excited about that space. But doesn't this look good? Oh, all of our cabinets being installed. Countertop template is happening in just a short period of time. Over here we have our dry bar. Looks so good. We've got the guys here installing vinyl plank flooring. They're doing such a good job. They got this all going on. It looks so good. And now I'm going to walk you over here to our laundry room. Our laundry room, we got all our cabinets installed. Tall storage. We're going to have open storage for laundry baskets. It just looks so good. And in here, we used our Waypoint cabinet line. Oh, I'm so excited about all the things going on in this space today. Friends, that's our quick walk around today in our space out here in Tempe for Coffee and Construction, episode 8 in Tempe. Thanks for being on this journey, friends. We really appreciate you being here. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.